You're asked to write the polynomial function with the least degree and a leading coefficient of 1 that has the given zeros. So in this one here, we're saying that a 0 is x equals 1, a 0 is at x equals negative 2, a 0 is at x equals 3 plus I, and because I have a 0 at x equals 3 plus I need the complex conjugate of that, so I also know that there's a 0 at 3 minus I. So there's 4 zeros here technically, and I need to write the equation that has those in it. And so basically, if I were trying to figure out, what makes them 0, then I really am just, subtracting this from each side here. And so really these are all going to be part of my equation. In factored form, it would just be really simple. It'd be just x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3 minus I, x minus 3 plus I. But because it asks for it in standard form here, or actually I guess I don't know if it does, but I'm going to still put our answer in standard form to kind of show what we would do here. So to start, I'm going to multiply these two together. I always like to deal with the i's first because what I know about complex conjugates is that they always are going to cancel out these i's as we go through. And so in the first one here, x minus x minus plus, so I get negative 3x. And I'm going to put xi here, but I know that's going to eventually go away. It happens every time. And same thing with this negative 3i, because you'll notice here that I end up getting negative xi, which when I add those together becomes 0. And I get positive 3i that when I add those together, they become 0. And then we get negative I squared, which technically I squared is just negative 1. So a negative 1 is just equal to 1. So when I add all these things together, I get x squared minus 6x plus 10. And now I'm going to multiply x minus 1 and x plus 2 together. And now lastly, I'm going to multiply all three of these terms with all three of the second group of terms. And so after multiplying those together, I get this here in orange, x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus 22x minus 20. Next one here, I'm going to do the same idea. So I know that x plus 3, x minus 5, I'm going to go through this a little bit quicker here. I know the complex conjugate of 2i is negative 2i. So when I multiply these together, if I were to put that into a box, I'd end up getting x squared minus 2x minus 15. If I were to multiply these together, what you will see when you multiply those is that the i's cancel out and give us x squared minus 4i squared. And then minus 4i squared, remember I squared is just negative 1, so it ends up becoming x squared plus 4. And now I'm going to multiply those together in a box. So x squared 4, x squared minus 2x, negative 15. And once I multiply these all together, I get my final answer here. And so really it's just setting it up as a factored form, multiplying everything together, and getting our final answer.